And here we go. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Samrak.
I'm Michael.
And I'm Zara.
We are about to start a new series, an anime series. Something Zara's been waiting for quite some time. She even has the hat. She was actually at a con this weekend.
Yeah.
She knew characters that were dressed, people dressed up as characters.
Spoilers. Yeah.
Spoilers.
But I got the gist of who they were.
Yeah, but she held back from watching this. She wanted to do this for the channel here.
I know. I couldn't wait. Yes, saving it all for you. Because when it comes to anime, that's where I I'm like clinging to the chair. I'm like, no. Yeah, I'm like that. Yeah.
How about you, Michael? Do you know Chainsaw Man?
I only have a few friends who cosplayed as it. That's as far as my knowledge goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The characters are easy to cosplay. It's super really affordable. The outfits, the cosplay. It's not too over the top. Yeah,
Nice.
it's really. You'll see in the anime.
I'm excited to watch it. Yeah. I saw a lot of posters for it too.
But it's been out for like almost a year now, or?
It's been out since October. Yeah.
Okay,
Since
half a year, I
October,
guess.
yeah.
Oh, okay. And we're just finally starting it.
I know.
Yeah.
Yes, I had to wait and get this hat too.
Yeah,
So.
that's what it was. Yeah.
That's all right. It's right here, my dear friend.
So, are we ready?
I'm
Ready.
ready. Yes.
So this is Chainsaw Man Season 1, Episode 1, Dog and Chainsaw, yeah? Title?
That's right.
So if you do like our reaction, please like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. All right, let's do it. I don't know anything about it. Going into blind.
Me too.
I know the people that made Attack on Titan. They also the studio the same.
Oh,
Yeah, so manga.
okay.
Yeah. Well, the latest Attack on Titan.
All right, and here we go.
行くか。木切って月収6万だろ。
Yeah.
この間売った腎臓が120万。
Sold a kidney.
What?
金玉片方売っていくらで売れたっけ。10万もしなかったんだっけ。
Dang, the struggle is real, huh? Selling everything.
ポチタ、分かってるって。さっさと殺しちまうか。悪魔を1体殺せばだいたい30万。
Oh, his dog is a chainsaw.
デビルハンターが一番儲か。
Is that a strawberry? A tomato?
Eyeballs.
報酬は40万だ。
あざっす。
そこから借金と利子引いて17万、さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料、管理調整費、その
He ended up owing it.
残りが7万。この7万から水道代を払って他んとこにしてる借金を払うと。おい犬。やるよ。マジっすか。いただきます。
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
Dang.
先物乞いするなり体売るなりして明日まで70万用意しろ。じゃなきゃお前の死体をばらして。
Is that a flashback?
Yep.
This is paying off his dad's debt.
Dead.
死ぬぞ。
Oh.
クーガ、お前も死ぬのか。カメ、悪魔は血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある。死にたくないならカメ、俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ。お前を助けてやるから俺を助けろ。俺 デビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか？
I bought him some time.
決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗ってポチタと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。
俺の母ちゃんさ、心臓の病気で血吐いて死んだんだとよ。
But they don't question his dog, a devil.
I think it's his tool.
Yeah, it's helpful.
Yeah.
見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね。
It's a trap.
しかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
デンジよ、俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ。
はい。
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働いてくれる。
はあ。
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Oh. Oh.
That's a solid slash. Ooh. How long is this anime? Is it just one episode?
Yeah.
ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに。
This is a dream.
なことも叶えられねえのかよ。
That is the main character, right?
It is.
ポチタ、仕事に行くぜ。
Yeah, that was a dream, yeah?
No, I think these are memories. The coloring is different.
ポチタ、俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれねえ。そうしたらポチタだけが心残りだ。
Or just a flashback?
死ぬかもしれねえし、他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれねえ。悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体をポッ
Oh.
た後だったら、ヤクザも追ってこれないだろ。そんで、この町を出て、そんで、普通の暮らしをして、普通の死に方をしてほしい。
So cute.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Oh. It did take over his body.
Okay.
落ちた。俺の体、ちゃんと奪えたか？
私は話を聞くのが好きだった。これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
どうした？どういうこと？バラバラにしても生きてんの？なんで？キモ？やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌い。みんな。
So he's half devil and half hunter now.
Ooh, where's his chainsaw?
There it is.
It's his head
Yeah.
and his arms.
I love the design for this. So cool.
きの雑魚悪魔が体を乗っ取ったのか。仲間だな。
Half. So he could turn into it whenever he wants, basically. I'm assuming.
This is like upgraded Edward Scissorhands. His chainsaw arms. Oh, it's human rope darts.
It's giving me Ash versus, Ash
Yeah.
Evil Dead.
Yo.
ビルハンターとして雇われてるからには悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね。そっか、てめえら全員殺せばよ、借金はバーだぜ。
先を越されたね。
More hunters?
Mm-hmm.
生きてるのがいますね。
君がやったの？
だかす。
Oh, he got to hug a girl.
That's his
That's
dream.
his dream.
Oh no, he's
Just
transforming
melts
back.
on her. You get chainsaw sweat on her.
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は。
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。悪魔として私に殺される。
Or join us.
人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
He's a pet.
さて、
Jam. He wants jam.
Toast.
パンにバターとジャム
Ah.
だ、コーヒー、あとデザートかな。
And that was Chainsaw Man, Season 1, Episode 1, Dog and Chainsaw. I actually enjoyed it. It's that bonding
that was
with your pet and owner bond.
It didn't drag too much. Like, it was instant.
Yeah, it was a
story.
really good
Yeah.
throw you into the plot.
Like origin
instantly.
story just happened then and there, like why he became a hunter because paying off death of his, I guess, dad. Yeah. And sold body parts.
Yeah.
Just come up
Talking
with
about
money.
dreams and aspirations are always a good way to hook people into
Yeah.
the character. I felt like that happened instantly.
I liked it. I love it.
Yeah,
Ta-da-da. Yes.
The transformation.
Yeah, the fight sequences are pretty good too. Like the
Yeah.
art, yeah, it's beautiful.
I didn't expect it to be like, Edward Scissorhand, like Ash,
Yeah.
with the head, 3 chainsaw, one on the head.
Yeah,
Chainsaw
he's
Massacre,
Zorro with a chainsaw.
Yeah. Yeah, it was interesting. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I enjoyed it.
I love it. Yeah. Ta-da-da.
Yeah. Anything else to add?
I don't know. I like it. I
Are
can't
we
wait to
gonna
watch
see
more.
Pochita again? Because I feel like
Maybe
We're-
in
Maybe
flashbacks.
Maybe flashbacks wise, perhaps.
they're melded together now.
Yeah.
Dang.
I know. Such a small role for the
Yeah.
dog, and then it just blossomed. Everyone
Yeah.
loves him. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, so as a known character?
Yeah.
In the universe?
Yeah, it's like such a small role, but everyone just like loves Pochita.
It's like Ned
That's
Stark.
the hat.
That's that. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I did not know before you started. She said it's from Chainsaw Man. I had no idea.
I know.
Pochita?
Yeah. In a sense, Pochita really made Denji, in a sense. Like, live those dreams. And
Yeah.
Okay. Well, yeah, that was Chainsaw Man, episode 1, Dog and Chainsaw. Now we see why it's that title. It was good. It hit home, owner and your dog, you know.
Giving you John Wick vibes, too, in a sense.
It definitely did, especially with the amount of bodies that they cut up.
Yeah. So if you do like our reaction, please like, comment, subscribe, also hit the notification bell, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Shoots.
Chee.